about how we celebrate Independence Day, the reason we celebrate Independence Day, and what should we achieve in the future for our country's progress. Friends, usually Independence Day celebrates in this manner.
By hoisting flag, delivering speech about the history of freedom fighters, marching three forces of the country, national songs, dances, cultural programs in all the schools, government offices and in common places. The second thing is that the reason we celebrate this day, our country was more than 200 years slaved by the British. We had no rights to live as we like. Our nation wealth was plundered by the British for the profit. During that time, so many leaders came forward to fight against the English and struggle get freedom from them. They are Balagangadhar Tilak, Nehru, Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Kappalottiya Tamilan VOC, Tirupur Kumaran, etc. So many youths lost their health, wealth, soul, life for our country's freedom. How broad-minded they were. They all thought only for others' life, that is for future India. So, this day we should tribute and spread their thought and principles. As a student, we had learnt lot of movement held in our country for the freedom. Movements like craft movement, non-cooperation movement, salt satyagraha, etc. Our leaders and people did not get back their goals, but the British not able to repression our leaders and people again and again. So they decided to move from our country. They declared freedom on 1947 August 50. Dear friends, now it's our time. We should do some good things for our nation and our people. Our grandparents gave freedom for us. Our parents gave development of our nation. This is our turn to take our country to the next level. Come, let's join and work to make our country as a heaven by protecting our nature like forests, water, minerals, etc. We should support for free education and free medical treatment, should give voice against caste discrimination, child abusement, poverty and bribe.
Hope that all my wishes fulfill within next year Independence Day celebration. Jai Hind.